Pretenders 2000 Miles. This is a 3-chord song using the chords G major, C major and D major. We have the option of a C add 9 if you prefer. But the real thing that catches a lot of people out is that the strumming is to this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and kind of style. It's 3 strums per pulse. So we can think about this as 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 12/8. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and either way it basically goes to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It basically carries on like that. The only difference is in the pre-chorus. It just staying between C major and D major. That's the only change that happens in the pre-chorus, otherwise known as the bridge. Other than that, nice and straightforward. However you want to play it, many different options. What else can we do with the strumming to shake this up? We can go 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up, down, up. So that would be... One, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and... Hammer-ons and flick-offs. Super encouraged as well. That is the main riff. Let me play that one more time just for clarity. So this is the riff that starts the song and continues throughout an awful lot of it. So it starts off on the G chord at 3-0, but we're holding down those notes from a G major chord. And these are arpeggios. And then we go 2-3, kind of playing like a D major chord to a D sus4, and then a D sus2. Basically repeats that. So 3-0, 2-3-0-3-2. Then it's a G chord, D sus2. And those of you that follow my lessons know that the Pretenders use sus2s and sus4s all the time. That is Brass in Pocket. This also reminds me of a few different Christmas songs. It actually reminds me of my Christmas song that I wrote with my partner Nina a little while ago, which went... Remember that one? Like, no one should be alone at Christmas time, because no one should be alone. No one should be alone at Christmas time. Really cool. The final Christmas song that always uses these kind of sus2s and sus4s. You guys know it well. It's also in this 6/8 kind of pattern. It's Christmas time, don't let the bells ring by the darkness. Feigning joy and surprise, and the gifts we despise, and the mulled wine with you. Sus2s and sus4s all over it, loads of major scale arpeggios, and also in this kind of 6/8, 12/8 pattern. Really cool. Let's have a look at how to play this onto this song now, The Pretenders, 2,000 Miles. C. Okay, hopefully that gives you guys the idea of how to play that one. It's a great song, learn it, check it out.